So let's dive right into it. The basics of affiliate slash online marketing. All right. So what I'm going to cover in this video is basically a table of contents, what we're going to talk about in these upcoming videos in details. But I'm going to break it down right now of what we're going to talk about. All right. So it's affiliate marketing mastery, your guide to success. Table of contents. Module 1, we're going to talk about Introduction to Affiliate Marketing, Definition and Overview of Affiliate Marketing, Historical Context, How Affiliate Marketing Evolved, the potential for earning, realistic expectations. All right. So, Module 2, we're going to cover Finding Your Perfect Niche, delving into interest, passion, and expertise, market demand, identifying and analyzing, evaluating competition, tools, and strategies, monetization potential, and product selection, trend analysis for long term viability, crafting a personal connection narrative. All right. So, in Module 3, we're going to cover affiliate programs and platform. Overview of major affiliate platforms. Joining the right program, criteria and consideration, commission structures and payment terms, unique platform features and benefits. Module 4, crafting high quality content. Identifying your target audience's pain points. Content formats, blogs, videos, podcasts, etc. SEO basics for affiliate marketers. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Incorporating storytelling and personal experiences. Ensuring content integrity and trustworthiness. Module 5, we're going to cover traffic generation and growth strategies. So, organic traffic, SEO, content marketing, and blogging, paid traffic, introduction to PPC, and social media ads, leveraging social media for organic reach, email marketing for affiliates, collaborations, and partnerships. In Module 6, we're going to cover ethics, transparency, and regulations. Importance of disclosure in affiliate marketing, navigating FTC guidelines or guidelines from the relevant country's governing body, building and maintaining audience trust, avoiding common pitfalls and unethical practices. In Module 7, we're going to cover analyzing and optimizing your performance, tools for tracking affiliate sales, evaluating traffic sources and conversion rates, A/B testing for content and sales strategies, continuous learning, staying updated with affiliate trends. Module 8, we're going to cover scaling and advanced strategies, diversifying affiliate income streams, outsourcing and team building for growth, advanced SEO and content strategies, paid advertising at scale. All right. So, in conclusion and next steps, what we're going to do what we're going to do for you is you're going to need to be creating a roadmap for the next 6 to 12 months. You're going to have goals. Basically, that's part of your goals. Creating a roadmap for the next 6 to 12 months, okay? You're going to have continuous learning and resources. Joining affiliate marketing communities for networking support, all right? You're kind of going into, for example, Facebook groups and trying to find out what their strategy is, what they're doing that's working, okay? So in the bonus is toolkit and resources, recommended software and tools for affiliate marketers, exclusive interviews with successful affiliate marketers, checklist and templates for easier implementation. All right. So if you're ready to jumpstart your affiliate marketing journey, dive deeper into each module and discover the secret to success. Stay tuned for the next video for more detailed insights and strategies. Empower your path to a thriving affiliate career. See you on the next video.